Hello everyone, this is Joycelyn from SHOPLINE Malaysia. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a lucky draw event for your live stream, okay? So first of all, you have to go to the left side of your admin panel, go to social commerce and then click on SHOPLINE Live, okay? So you'll be brought to this page over here, which you have the list of live stream that you have previously conducted. And also, if you are new to this admin panel here, no worries, I think your page will be empty, okay? So in order to create a new live stream room, just go to this create live stream button over here, and then you can choose either one of this broadcast channel that you want to use. But for today's video, we'll be talking about lucky draw event. So in order to have any of the events that you want to do during your live stream, right, then you have to click on this live stream from Facebook and then go to next, okay? But because previously I've already preset the live stream room, okay, so I can just click on this enter button over here. All right, then it will bring me to this page here. And then as you can see, for live stream from Facebook, we'll be able to create events, right? Okay, so just click on the event and then go to add button here. And then you'll see the different types of events that you can consider doing during your live. Okay, but today we'll be only talking about this lucky draw. If you are interested to know how to set up other events, then you can go and watch our other videos about the respective events, okay? But for this lucky draw, right, just to explain a little bit about it, is that if you wish to have the lucky draw feature during your live stream event, maybe you want to promote your store, your products, or maybe you want to boost sales during this live stream, then you can consider using the lucky draw or any other events, okay? So just click on this lucky draw event, and then you can actually set up all the event details over here. So the first thing is actually the event title, obviously. And then you can go to lucky draw, you can type in lucky draw. And then after that, the keyword will be the keyword that your customers need to comment during the event, okay? And then they will be able to grab the price that you have set, okay? So here, the keyword, maybe I'll put lucky me, all right? And then the next would be event quota. All right. So for the event quota here, it's up to you whether you want to have how many people getting to win this prize, right? So for here, I just put 1. And then the event time will be the period, okay? So you can actually set like how long do you want this whole lucky draw event to run, okay, during your live stream. So maybe I'll put as, I'll set it as 3 minutes, okay? Then just click on okay. But if you did not actually put in any event time over here, then you have to manually draw this lucky draw winner, okay? Then next, we can go to advanced settings. And here in advanced settings, we have 5 different types of filters for you to choose, okay? So first one is actually tag friends. Here you can actually select whether you want your customers to tag how many friends, okay? So maximum you can actually set 5 friends for your customers to tag, okay? So just to let you guys know, yeah, you have to inform your customers that, hey, okay, so for example, here I've set at least they have to tag 1 friend along with the keyword, okay? So you have to inform your customers that during this comment session here, they have to tag the friend as well as the keyword in the same comment section. If not, the system will not actually capture them, okay? So for example, if the customer actually tag the friend and then the next comment only they comment a keyword, then the system will not be able to capture, yeah? So just to note that the tag friend and also the keyword must be in the same comment, all right? And then the next one would be like live post. So this is pretty straightforward. So meaning if you turn this, if you select this like live post filter, that means your customer will have to like your post before, okay? React with the thumbs up button, okay? Then only they'll be entitled to participate in this lucky draw event, yeah? So just also to note you guys that other reactions such as like the wow reactions or the love and care reactions, it's not eligible, yeah? So you have to inform your customers if you were to choose these advanced settings, okay? Then you have to inform your customers that, hey, you have to like my post, yeah? It's not other reactions, all right? And then the third filter is users who have purchased with you before. So basically it's the customers who already have created orders through maybe the previous, your previous live stream. They are also entitled to win this lucky draw event, okay? or maybe your customers who have actually received the shopping cart link or have already created, you have already created manual orders for them, then they are also entitled to win this lucky draw event, okay? And also the fourth filter, which is the product keyword commented. Okay, these are the customers who have actually leave comments for at least one product keyword, okay, for the current live stream. Okay, so they are actually entitled to be one of the winners for this lucky draw. Okay, and then the next one is not a winner. Okay, so customers who have commented event keyword in your current live stream but have yet to win, they are also entitled to win for this lucky draw event. Okay. All right, so these are the 5 advanced settings that you can consider having, okay, to filter out who are entitled to win for this lucky draw, okay? And then the next one would be price content. And then here we have select product, another one is select gift. So for example, today you are selling something, maybe limited edition product, but then at a very, very low price, okay? So you only want one person to be the lucky winner to get this low price product for the limited edition product, okay? So then you can just click on this select button to select that product itself, okay? That is if you're having the product at a lower price, then you can choose this select product part over here lah. But if you are planning to give out like a free gift, okay, during this lucky draw event, okay, then you can select gift. All right, just click on this select gift button here, and then you can proceed to select the free gift. Okay, so just to let you guys know, yeah, this select gift over here, right? Okay, you see I have already previously added this free gift item in my admin panel. Okay, just go to your product and categories part and then go to free gift to upload. Okay, but then if for example, if today you want to instantly just create the free gift, it's not on your admin panel, then no worries, you can just click on this create free gift button and then just put in the free gift details, okay, as usual. Okay, but for today's video, I will be using my existing gifts, okay? So I will just choose the free gift item that I have already added, okay? Then just click on select. All right, so now the price content has already been added as well. And then we can proceed next step, which is to actually create the event messages, okay? So here we already have, like by default, we already have all the event messages available for you already. But if today, let's say you wish to have your own customized event messages, right? Then you can actually proceed to just type in the event messages over here in this column, all right? And also just to let you guys know, we already have the available parameters here. So for example, today you want to copy over maybe let's say your event title or maybe your keywords, then you can just click on this 2 square icons over here and then to copy this title, and then you can paste it on your customized event message here, okay? Then you can proceed to type in the rest of the messages over here, okay? So this example, I'm just going to use back the default keywords, the default messages, okay? And then after that, we can proceed to create this whole event. So now you can see that the event for Lucky Draw has been created. This is the event title that I have typed earlier. And then you can click on the Lucky Draw event, then you can see some of the summarized event info over here, okay? And also the event message as well. And then if on top of that, you want to have, you want to actually edit the keyword or what, then you can just go to these 3 dots over here, more actions, and then you can just edit event, all right? Then you can proceed to edit the details that you wished, all right? Then just click on save. So yeah, guys, that's all for how to actually create event for Lucky Draw. And if you wish to know further on how to actually start this Lucky Draw event and also how your customers can actually participate in this Lucky Draw event, then you can watch our other video, which we will actually explain in depth on how to actually conduct this Lucky Draw event. All right. So good luck for setting up, guys. Bye.